Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm going to be unboxing my winter Fabfitfun box. They so graciously reached out to me and wanted me to share with you their winter box. So this video will be sponsored by Fabfitfun. And this is a $49.99 monthly subscription box, but it's not a monthly subscription box. You get it only 4 times a year each season. So that's a really cool thing about it is you don't have to worry about paying it each month. You're only going to be paying it 4 times out of the year. I'm really excited. This is my first time receiving a Fabfitfun box. All the products are full size inside, and if you go online you can customize your order. So I've been holding off on opening this bad boy, so let's get started. Comes in this really huge box, and this is the inside. So these are the first items that I pull out of the box. They are just some papers and pamphlets. This book contains the prices of everything. So here's the inside. Ooh, okay, I'm excited. You guys see, that is what the inside of the box is looking like. Let's go over it. So the first thing I pulled out of the box is this Bando Bluetooth shower speaker with USB charging cord. Wow, how stinking cute. Look at the flower print. So cute. So it's basically a speaker, a Bluetooth speaker for your shower. That way you can jam out in the shower. That's so awesome. With a really big suction cup, that way you can put on tile or a window. It does come with a charger as well. So I'm really excited about this. I always have my phone to the highest level listening to music and I still can't hear it. So maybe this will work. And the Bando Bluetooth shower speaker retails for $30. Next up is a color switch instant brush cleaner. This is a really cool product. So I'm so excited about this item. This is what it looks like. It comes in this little tin and it's basically like a sponge type material that you would clean your makeup brushes off on. So if you want to use a different color, say you start off with yellow, you put that yellow on your eye, you want to use purple, you go ahead and you swirl your brush and you dip into purple, and that way you don't have to actually wash your brush in between every color. So I love this. I will definitely be using this every day. So small, so compact. I love that. The Verma color switch retails for $16. Ooh, I'm so excited about this box, you guys. I'm just gonna pull out everything that excites me the most. So this is the original makeup eraser. Ooh, that is so cute. So it's like shaped like an eraser as well. So this is the infamous cloth that you are able to clean your makeup off with. And it's washable, you can throw it in the washer. It's so soft, so cute. So it has a little step-by-step instruction. So basically you wet this, wipe your face, voila, your makeup is off your face, and you can go ahead and throw this in the washer and reuse it every time. So I'm really excited about this. It's really important to get your makeup off every night, and this is something to make it just a little bit more easier. The adorable makeup eraser retailed for $20. Up next we have some body wash. This is the Cugio Yoga, I don't know, Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. So this is what it looks like. And it is in the scent Lavender Oil. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a whiff. Oh wow. It smells like a spa. Spilling it. I actually love that smell. It's a very clean smell to me, a very earthly, clean smell. I'm really excited about this. I love any kind of body wash that has Epsom salt in it. Salt is really good for your body, so I'm really excited to give this a try. And whoa, this Cugio Yoga body wash retails for $39.99. That's a pricey little body wash. Another item I'm really excited about that was in the box is this Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. So it is a dry bar detangler for your hair. It's all sealed up. The Dry Bar Detangler retails for $23. There's definitely a rose tint, I feel. It smells really good, so I love that. Up next we have this Soft Focus Glow Drops by Rodile Illuminating Ultimate Glow primer. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And that is the packaging, a soft white frosted glass, so pretty. These are illuminating drops. It comes with a little, why can't I remember what these are called? You know what I mean. It comes with a dropper. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here, and I'm gonna see what it's looking like. There's no shimmer in there at all, so it's a nice illuminating primer. Definitely put this on before you apply your foundation, and it will help prime and illuminate your skin. Whoa, this bad boy retailed for $55. We've got 2 more products in the box, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy. If you know my channel, you know I love candles. So this is Jonathan Adler. It is Flor del Sel. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Scented candle and bougie perfume. So it is a bougie candle. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So this is what the actual candle looks like. It comes in this beautiful glass jar. Says the name at the bottom. Comes with this really cute lid. And that's the candle. It is a 1-wick candle. And here we go. Oh, that smells so good, so fresh. It smells like cotton and very fresh, very fresh. I don't know if it's a floral scent, but very fresh. I love that kind of like laundry. I love that fresh, clean smell. I love candles. Holy smokes, this candle retails for $48. Okay, last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. So right here we have the Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and open up the eyeshadow palette. Ooh, so it comes with this little slip cover. What a beautiful palette. This eyeshadow palette is stunning. It has a perfect combination of everyday wearable shades. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to swatch some. I'm gonna swatch Butterscotch, this shimmery champagne color. That's what it's looking like. And I'm gonna swatch it right here. Don't mind my finger. Really pretty. I'm gonna try Mango Pudding, this beautiful orangey shade. It's a matte. So pretty, perfect for a crease. Almond Jelly right here. This is a really pretty shimmery color, and I'm gonna swatch it right here. Like, look at that pigmentation. So pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more matte. I'm gonna do Warm Cocoa. Looks like it would go really well with Almond Joy, so I'm gonna swatch it right here. These are stunning. I'm really excited to add this eyeshadow palette to my collection. And the Proof is in the Pudding palette retails for $38. Well guys, as you can see, everything was well over the price point that you paid for this box. This was a beautiful box. Everything was so usable. I love it. Like the candle, the body washes, the speaker, the eyeshadow, the makeup remover, the hair detangler. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try all this stuff, you guys. Thank you so much, Fabfitfun, for reaching out to me. And don't forget to use my code right here. Get $10 off of your very first box. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I thought this would be a perfect example of what you could give somebody for the holidays. They are approaching us pretty fast, and that is a lot of stuff in one box. You always get 7 full-size items in your Fabfitfun box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.